Guys, this is Mr. Deal from Tavelli, and our field day game today is called Cornhole. Now, we try to make the scoring a little bit easier. If you've played it before, you can score the game like you're supposed to, but what we do is, if you can throw the bag on the board, that counts as 1 point. If you can throw the bag that goes through the hole, that counts as 3 points. And we play the first person to 21 is the winner. All right, so if you don't have the boards, a great way to play this game is to just use sidewalk chalk. And you can make a board just like we had right there. If you drop the beanbag in the hole, that counts as 3. If you drop the beanbag on the board, that counts as 1, and you keep score the same way. Another thing you could use is rolled up socks. Just basically anything you have at home if you don't have the boards. Have fun. Okay, just like with the scoring, we may score a little bit different. You may play it a little different, but we like to just take turns and throw back and forth. So I'm gonna go first. That's a 3. That's a 1. 3. 0. 0. 1. And 3. So I ended up with 9 points, and my partner Addie ended up with 3 points. First one to 21 wins.